We're following this morning is that possible snow on the way. Max Paris is here with another look at our forecast. Hey, Max.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to impact us tonight, but there is going to be a wide range of totals across the region. Until then, a lot of sunshine, a dry setup, and very nice conditions this afternoon. The snow comes in around midnight or thereafter, lasts through Saturday morning. Highest coverage is going to be on the southeast side of the state. A bit of a change to your snow forecast map, and I'll show you that in a moment. Temps a little cooler than we've been all week this morning. Upper teens to low 30s depending where you are. Montello is the cold spot at 18. It's 26 in the capital, 27 in Juneau. Morning to everyone in Mineral Point, 32 there, 29 in Monroe near the state line. Getting the kids to class in Madison. It's your last day of school before spring break. Enjoy. It looks like a great day today. Upper 20s getting to the bus stop, clear skies. Just a few clouds starting to thicken up as we get later into the afternoon, but still plenty mild. Relatively seasonal for the end of March with highs in the upper 40s. New overnight, a winter weather advisory was just issued from the National Weather Service. This takes over Saturday 4 a.m., lasts till 1 p.m. on Saturday, giving you an idea of when that snow is going to come down. We have this in effect for Lafayette, Greene, Dane, Rock, Walworth, Jefferson, and Dodge counties, and that gives you an idea. That's where the highest coverage will be, highest impacts, and highest totals. Farther northwest of Dane County, likely not much impacts at all. In the target area, 3 to 6 inches will be the bullseye for us. It'll be a slushy accumulation, of course, as it's really late in the season. A breeze will cause some blowing snow to limit visibility for travelers out there, and poorest impacts to the roads will likely be, Saturday morning as the snow continues to fall around then. Just a few clouds passing by associated with our storm system just developing, but notice it's all rain as we look at the mid-south and the Ohio River Valley. That's where it's moving on through. The changeover to snow is likely going to happen right on top of us, which always makes for a challenging forecast. High pressure, well, that's still on top of us, giving us the clear skies and giving us a quiet setup to end the work week. By tonight, if you have a little bit of fun expected, make sure you're traveling safely as we have this snow coming in. This low is going to pass a little farther south and east than previously forecasted, and that means that the highest coverage with the snow likely going to be farther south and east before all this exits as we get into Saturday afternoon. Let's talk about this hour by hour for you. Upper 20s and low 30s as we start off the next couple of hours of the morning, mid to upper 40s this afternoon. Lots of sunshine, a bit of a breeze coming out of the east, the only caveat today. And then tonight, here we are by around midnight. We're still above freezing in the mid-30s, so the precipitation as it comes in from the south is going to be rain initially in northern Illinois, but the changeover looks like it's going to happen right on top of southern Wisconsin to snow. Here we are by daybreak Saturday, showing the snow falling as we have temps around or a little below freezing. And notice, snow rates could be pretty high, a ½ inch to an inch per hour possible, where we see the darker blue colors. And of course, we'll have the little bit of wind whipped snow. You can see these wind lines picking up intensity out of the northeast. Still a little light snow east of I-39 as we get towards midday into the early afternoon, but that's the tail end of the system continuing to exit through Saturday evening. Any snow you accumulate likely won't last long. Notice we're going to get to the upper 30s to 40s by Sunday with sunshine returning to help melt us pretty quickly. Here's a look at the snow forecast map. Come back to the screen. Pay attention. Highest bullseye now southeast of Madison, where we're going to see 3 to 6 inches for Janesville, Elkhorn, out towards Johnson Creek and Jefferson. 1 to 4 inches for the capital city, so quite a range of possibilities still for the capital area. And north and west, a sharp cutoff looking possible. 0 inches, just as possible as the 2-inch mark. So we'll see what happens, but again, lower impacts looking likely to the northwest of the capital area. 48 today, lots of sunshine, staying dry until around midnight or thereafter. That's when the snow mix moves in, especially impacting southeast side of the state. Temps in the mid to upper 20s, and a breeze will start to pick up. That'll cause for some blowing snow as we head into tomorrow morning. So if you do have travel plans, maybe just hold off till Saturday afternoon. That'll be a lot easier out there as the snow system exits around 40 by late day on your Saturday. Mid-40s with sunshine returning on Sunday. That'll help melt us pretty quickly. Clouding up in the mid-40s on Monday, and we have some light mix chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Nothing significant, but another storm system could impact us, by next Thursday. So another potential snow by Thursday as we head towards the tail end of the month, guys.